Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add photo to contact on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to open the phone app. Now over here we need to switch to contacts in the bottom right corner, and of course over here we will find all contacts that are saved on our device, our SIM card and our Gmail. So in order to be able to add photo to a contact, we need to make sure that the contact is not saved to the SIM card. For instance, over here I have a contact that is saved on the SIM card, and if I try to edit it, I cannot really do anything with the image. However, if I have a contact that is saved, for instance, on my device, then I can press this pen icon in order to edit the contact, and now I can tap on the avatar in order to add picture. And I can, for instance, choose gallery, then camera, and over here, let's say I can choose this picture because why not? Over here I can crop and rotate the picture if needed, and then I can press choose. And there we go. Now I can press save in the top right corner, and I have set up a photo to a specific contact. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!